Hello and welcome back for this video about Ceph. In this video I will explain how you can collect the smart disk metrics from your Ceph nodes, both the Moon and for the OSD nodes with OpenTelemetry. You will learn how you sending the data from your dedicated hardware to your central platform. Thank you to be here and I hope you enjoy. My name is Paris and I'm working as an advanced platform engineer right now. I am a Kubernetes specialist and I really love the cloud native environment and community. So I'm a big enthusiast, and then I'm a public speaker to different conferences. So when you are in your Ceph cluster, it will be nice to sending the metric data to your OpenTelemetry Observability platform. And as default, you only have the node exporter, and you don't get the smart drives data from the disks. And that's what you want you're gonna to learn in this video. We will work directly on my home lab Ceph cluster, so you can see it's working in real life. And I will show you my Grafana dashboard where we will test the metrics are coming in correctly. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. To be sure everything is installed correct, we need to say sudo dnf install. Just to be sure it's running correct, and you can see it's already installed here. And I think if you use Fedora as I did here, I think it will be installed as a default, but just to be sure. And then we will going and get the file, and I'll just paste it in here. You can see it. We will get from GitHub Prometheus community and the smartctl-exporter, and we will download the latest version. So I would recommend you to check about the new version before you continue, but for now that's a 0.14. Then we are downloading it, and we will just move it out and say move, whoops, and then we just say clear, and we will say sudo move this one and say move it to your user bin. And that's because we want to do this is because we want to say smart smartctl exporter, and you can see it's giving us some warnings, and that's fine. We clear the screen again. It's exable now. The next thing we want to do are creating the service to handle it. So we basically could get it to starting with the system. So I'll just say sudo nano. I'm unsure about I have nano installed, so I'll just be sure. Yes, we have it, so that's cool. Sudo nano etc systemd system, and then we will create the smartctl dot minus exporter dot service, and I will just copy in again. And remember, when I copy something, this will be embeddable on my GitHub page. The link for this repository will be in the description of this video, so you don't need to search too much about it, because this is a little bit faster to do this away. And then we save it and exit. Now we will say sudo. We will reset the settings, the labels for the SE Linux. In Fedora, this SE Linux will block it. So if you don't do this, you will see some problems when you're starting it up. So I'll just recommend you doing it. relabel it, and then I will say systemctl enable now this one, and to do systemctl restart, and then smart exporter, and some restarted. And let's see about how the status is. And that's what we can see. It's working now, and it's starting to start up their own exporting service on port 9633, and that's fine. Now we need to go into the OTel collector and change some settings to be sure it's working. So sudo nano etc OTel, and that's my file. So if you have the same, then this will be fine. But then we are going down here, and again I will copy some. No, I will not copy any settings. And then we say job name. This will be smart one. And we will say the matrix path will be matrix, and then static configs. This will be here targets, localhost. We will design it as the previous example. Localhost dot 9633, and I just need to be sure it's correct, and that's look like it is static. It's just this one. It's 1 point too much. Yes, and it's cool. Then we save it, and we will now restart the OTel. Do systemctl and restart OTel the service, and then we want to see it back online. And now we're going to the Grafana. If everything is working here, then you can see I'm on Ceph Moon 3, and let's just await a little bit. Then I think it should come. So let's try again to reload, and yes, now you can see all the data, all this smart data is inside everything. You can see the temperature on my disk is 45 Celsius. So that's a little bit high, but it's my home lab, so it's this disk you see here. It's probably, let's go inside the average temperature, and then we say devices, and you have one, and that's my SSD, SDA, and that's, yeah, I think that's my NVMe disk, but I'm not sure. But the point is now it's collecting the matrix, and this will take some time. Just wait, I think a minute or something like that, and then you will see the matrix appear. So that's how we can transport all your matrix from your smart devices, SSDs, NVMe's, everything, and then transfer to your OTel collector. In my case, I have my own Observability clusters, so my Moon is dedicated hardware sending from an external one into my Observability platform. That's working pretty well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, you can get all the the tricks and the tips from my Git repository. I will link to this video from the repository, and of course I will link to the resources I'm used inside this guide. Thank you so much. Hoping you will give this video a like, and I really hope you will subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions about it, please make them below. I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in another time.